So this is the Adobe shelf we made already for this store. It's like a jewelry type store, and so they're gonna use it like a display case. And basically, this one came out like kind of smooth. It's supposed to look like an Adobe, kind of rounded, with nothing looking too perfect. But they want these next ones we're making to be like a kind of like a rougher finish. So we might even kind of use our fingers and hands to shape it and form it and make it kind of look more like an Adobe look. So, and then they drew this up for us so we can actually go off of these plans. So we're gonna have to make it just like this, like those same shapes, same sizes. It's pretty cool. They made up a little CAD design of it for us. So we have to make it like that. We have to make it come out like that. So let's see how it goes. Alright, we got the frames for all three of these, 1, 2, 3. I was going to show how these retrofit boxes work. So if you see these retrofit electrical boxes here, they have these little tabs. So this screw is going to tighten up and make that tab tighten behind the drywall to secure this. So if you're in an area where there's no stud behind the wall or something, you can use these. They're like a retrofit. Okay, so what we're going to do is just slide that back. Make a little more room for it here. slide that. And then now that it's in there, I'll show you the other side. So you see these little tabs here, those are gonna just tighten up against the drywall there, like so. But all we gotta do to tighten those is just turn that, and you're gonna see here, it tightens up on there. Same with this one. There you go. The box is secure. So our recessed lights are going to be in here, using the ballast for them, and the lights just connect up to here, to that plug. And then this one, this is going to end up going up to the next shelf.